I'm a native of New Orleans, born and raised. Just an everyday person who was confronted with some health issues that I felt like wasn't properly addressed, that went on for maybe a year. My body, to me, became unrecognizable. I had a shortness of breath. My ankles were swelling. I was retaining fluid. So I'm like, okay, do I have heart issues? After over a year of seeing all these different doctors and getting absolutely no answers, someone told me I needed to go see Dr. Driver at Touro. So I go to Dr. Driver, and it's so crazy. She was so nice. She took my labs and she was like, woo. She said, your hormone levels. That was the first time anybody had said anything. And so I asked her, I have been going to 3 different doctors last year. They've taken my labs. I said, would they have seen what you seen? She said, yeah. That just shocked me. She was like, I'm going to send you to the gynecologist, Dr. Bruno. And Dr. Bruno said, we see a fibroid, but it's the placement of it. It's on top of your bladder. She was like, it was as if you were pregnant with a 5-month-old. Now imagine that on your bladder. Even though you were going to the bathroom, you were never fully excreting all the waste. I thought the most beautiful thing that Dr. Bruno did that I will always respect her for, especially as a woman, she said, I'm going to give you options. We could go in, we could remove the fibroid, or we can do a hysterectomy. But it is your choice. And I said, wow. You still respect the fact that regardless of what I'm going through, it's my body. And she said, it's your choice. And so I was like, girl, I'll take it all out because I ain't coming back to you no more with this. But she said, you just messed up a moment. She said, I need to see the Dr. Chang. We may have to do the surgery, but I don't want to do invasive surgery. I want to do the robotic arm. That operation was 4 hours long. I want to say as early as Saturday. I felt a difference. I actually walked outside. I just walked and I didn't have any pain or anything. And I was just, and on my way walking back to my door, I just kind of like teared up. Because in my mind, I feel me coming back. When I had to come back for my final checkup with Dr. Bruno, I was like, I don't know any other words to tell you, but thank you. You don't know what you gave back to me. I see a huge difference. Huge difference in my weight. I'm not taking a shot, but I'm on a treadmill. I'm on my bike. I see a huge difference in my process of thinking. I feel my mobility, and I'm telling myself, I'm glad you didn't give up. I'm glad you stuck with you.